Hello and good day. I'm Juliana Yamsuan, and today my group and I will walk you through the low fidelity prototype of our new coffee app. This blueprint represents the basic user journey, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. As you open the app, the user is greeted by the logo or loading page, which they will just tap. Afterwards, the user must log in before they are granted access. Otherwise, they can sign up for free by just clicking below, this one. Suppose that the user already has an account, all they have to do is go back, enter their credentials, then log in. So they'll go back, enter their credentials, and click login. This is now the home screen, where users can quickly access their favorite coffee options, search for new drinks, or browse the menu. Here, the users will see the latest promos or offers. Below will be the top picks for the day. Oftentimes, new customers would like to know the shop's best sellers, so I figured that adding this feature would be helpful. The layout is clean and simple and organized with proper information structuring, ensuring a smooth and better experience. As you can see below, this one, we have 4 features: the home screen, which is this page, favorites, user's cart, and notifications. I'll walk you through one by one. Since we're already in the home screen, you will notice a line indicator just below the home icon. This line indicator will be present depending on which feature tab page you are in. Next, we have the favorites. Just click the heart. From the menu, the users can add any of the items to their favorites so that the next time they order, they can just go to the favorites tab and purchase it directly without having to browse around the menu. This is like one of the key features that make ordering coffee convenient and straightforward. Moving on is the user's cart, this one. This just basically collects the user's order before they can make a purchase. This is added so that the users can review their cart before proceeding to checkout. They can remove items, change quantities, and apply discount codes. The checkout process is designed to be fast and hassle-free. Finally, we have the notifications bar, which is this one. This stores the latest promos, offers, and new items on the menu. If in case the user opts not to receive any notifications, they can just view them here on this app itself so they won't miss out as well. Going back to the home screen, next to the search bar is the profile button. Tapping it, the user gets to see their profile. As you can see, there are 7 different tabs: edit profile, add new number, track my order, customer support, my address, my saved cards, and then the logout option. I'll walk you through it one by one as well. First, we have the edit profile. Clicking this feature, the user can edit and change their information such as their name and email address. On the same page, you can see the options for the other tabs for the sake of the user's convenience. So let's say I want to add in a new number. This will direct me to this page. Next to this is where the user will choose which country. Here, this one. I don't know if I can zoom it, but yeah. You can see that there's this icon here. Basically, the user will be able to choose which country their number is from. Most users just add in their phone number. I figured that this feature would be helpful in terms of organizing and recognizing where the number is from. Besides, phone numbers aren't exactly unique, so the same local number could exist in multiple countries. Once done, just click submit, and then an OTP will be sent just to verify that the user was able to input their number correctly. Moving on, we have the track my order. This basically just tracks the order the user have purchased. The user is also updated on where their order is and how long it will arrive. And let's say that the user hasn't ordered yet. Below is the menu button, wherein the user will just click on it and will have a full list of the menu items. So if, let's say, the user experiences any issue, they can just click on the customer support. Click call, and then their issue will be attended to. Next, we have my address. This is where the user can find their saved address or addresses. For instance, they notice that they mistyped something. All they gotta do is click edit. There, and they can either delete an address by clicking on the trash icon or edit their address by clicking on this edit icon. Of course, adding a new address is available. They just have to click add location, and they'll be directed to this page wherein with their location settings on, the map will directly locate where they are exactly. Once done, simply tap confirm location. There. Another feature is my saved cards. For an easier and faster transaction, users can automatically have their card information saved so that they wouldn't have to input it every single time. In this feature, users can either delete or add their card information. If they want to delete, they just have to tap on the trash icon, once again, this one. But if they want to add a new card, they just have to tap on the plus icon located at the right side of the screen. Finally, we have the logout tab, this one. If the user wishes to log out of their account, they can just tap this feature. For confirmation, the user will be asked if they truly do wish to log out. Before adding this feature, I honestly considered the possibility of the user misclicking something. So instead of them being logged out accidentally, there will be a confirmation just in case. I also thought about quote-unquote hassle of having to log in again when you don't even intend to log out in the first place. So anyways, if they do wish to log out, they'll just simply confirm by clicking this logout button, and then they'll be directed back to the login page. This is just basically for the loading page, home page, and the profile page. The rest of the features will then be discussed by my groupmates.
Hi guys, I'm Nyl, and today I'll show you the other part of the low fidelity demo. So in my part, I did the drinks, which is this. Let's just wait. So for this part, I just put on drag in the interaction, so that if you drag, it should go to the other frame, and it would enlarge the highlighted item that you want to buy. For this, I only put only one button to keep it minimal. So if you press buy, it should go to the size selection page. So for this, I only made it minimal as well, only quantity selection and the size selection. So for this, just simply drag to get to the desired size that you want. So if you want small, medium, and large. So it's on drag function, so to add a little effect to the app. So if I press next, it should go to your cart. So here I only put the item that you wish to buy, and also other information as well, such as delivery time and how much do you need to spend on the items. So here, if you proceed to payment, I also did this bounce thingy interaction in the app so that it could add an effect to the app. So now, if you place order, it would get to the confirmation page, and after that, you're all set. So that's for the coffee. Now let's get back, and this is the part where Jane made the pastries. So for this part, it's almost the same as mine. So we did this to keep the design uniform. For this, only pastries. Yeah. So if you tap plus on one pastry, it should get into the page where the pastries are individually. So if you press buy, it should go to the same cart. So there you go, proceed to payment. So yeah, we made this so it's actually interactive and also realistic, as we see it often in most apps. So place order, and it goes to the same confirmation order. So we've also made the high fidelity demo, which is this, as you can see here. So this is the high fidelity demo. So for the main menu, it was Juliana who did it. So let's start. So as we go into the starting page, which is the login page, you just have to put your credentials, press login, and it will show you the app. See here, these are the promotions. So if you have any favorite items, it will go here to your favorites. So this is the part where if you add items, it will store it here, the add to cart part. So if you have notifications such as your driver arriving. It will show up here. So yeah, so here is the drinks part. So for the drinks part, this is what we did. Pretty much the same as the low fidelity demonstration, just with the added details. When you press buy, it goes to the desired size. So when you press add, there goes the quantity. When you press next, it goes to the cart, just the added details. Receive the payment, it goes to the select payment method frame, and when you place order, it will go to the order confirmation frame. When you press back, it will go back. So with that in mind, we still hope to improve the app and try other things to make it better. Thanks for watching.